And I'm back on my grind. A psychic in my lifeline told me in my lifetime my name will help light up the Chicago skyline. And that's why I'm 7 o'clock, that's prime time. Having a watch guy calling from the hotlines. Why he keep giving me hotlines? I'm a star, how could I not shine? How many ladies